are the men who through the years labored under the inspiration of the Holy Spirit. Sila man, together with the people 60 years ago, requested that this beautiful place becomes a place where salvation has entered and has generated so much blessings, not only for Cebuanos, but also for the rest of the country and the rest of the world. I am not really alluding na para murag si Ate Sharon ang mga Agustinians, no? My point is, you are the one requesting, interceding, praying to God for the blessing to come. And I would like to acknowledge not only the historicity of your presence and your role, but the work of the Spirit working through your congregation. So the one who made the request for the dedicated love song is none other than our own Agustinian fathers and the rest of those who caught the charism and shared in their ministry. Second, the recipient, the one to whom this song is dedicated, is the people of God. It is phrased in an interesting way that love song, the one who dedicated was wishing, sana nakikinig siya. And then when the song is heard, sana maalaala niya ang love song namin noon. If you ask me, the dedication of the Basilica is a love story. Yes, taken from the corny heart of Bishop Dodo, but it's theologically on point. It is where Jesus dedicates His body and blood for our redemption, and it is also where we also dedicate ourselves to Him. The only problem is we are forgetful people. That is why every time we celebrate the dedication anniversary, it's always a prayer to refresh our love story, to retell again God's fidelity through the years, and for us to recall. Diba kung may anniversary, you would always talk the first time we met, our love song, asa ka mo nag-meet, asa nagkadto. Kini tanan murag flashback of romance, but above all, it is going to the foundational root of the love story. As we celebrate our dedication anniversary,